welcome na naman sa isa nating vlog. And for today's video, itatry natin ang isa sa mga talked about na restaurant malapit sa workplace namin, ang Sirirath Thai House. They are open for dine-in and carry-out, Monday to Sunday, lunch 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. and dinner 4:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Medyo late na nga nang pumunta kami, last order na sa kitchen, pero ang nice ng may-ari kasi she allowed us to stay at mag-vlog na rin. I'm rating the Thai milk tea 3/10 kasi medyo matamis siya, guys. I think kung may option lang to make it 70 to 75% ang sweetness, mas masarap siya. Maraming food choices na mukhang masarap sa menu nila. I chose wonton soup, chicken wings for Zion, cheese sticks at mussels and garlic sa akin, at si Matt naman, fresh lumpia at curry. Yung mga detailed na names ng mga in-order namin is naka-caption sa video na to. Pwede nyo namang makita yung menu nila online through their website or of course sa Google Photos, available din siya. By the way, Sirirath Thai House is located at 749 23rd Avenue East, Unit D, West Fargo, North Dakota. Sobrang sarap lahat ng food na in-order namin, guys. Kokonti na nga lang yung na-takeout namin. Pero si Matt talaga, naubos niya lahat yung mga in-order namin. Pati yung mga in-order ko na rin. Sulit na sulit sa around $85 na bill namin, guys.
Ano? Hindi mo na nakapagsalita eh.
Pag kumikit ka, parang nasa tabing dagat. Habang nakatuyaan ka.
Kahit si Zion, bet na bet niya yung wings na in-order ko for him. Halos maubos niya lahat yung 8 pieces na wings. Try natin yung sabaw, guys. Sabaw. Wonton soup.
Must try.
Hear the crunch? One more.
Yummy, see?
So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like our video. Napakaganda ng ambience dito sa Sirirath Thai House. Salamat sa pagsama sa amin today. Till our next video, mga kahanash. Once again, this is your nurse mom. She's saying, minimize pain, maximize pleasure, and do the most good. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi tayong updated. Paalam!